Hello students and welcome back to Standard 9 Geography chapter number 12 Tourism. Students, in the second part of a chapter we have learned about the tourism on the types of tourism on the basis of aims of tourism and also the specialities of the destination. In the last part of the chapter we will be learning about the importance of tourism development in India. So let's get started. Importance of tourism development in India. Children, you all know that India is a vast country in the world and we have a lot of attractions, and due to this many foreigners they mostly like to visit India to spend their memorable time and their holidays. And the reason for it is that because India has a richness of natural beauty, we have the attractive landscapes, we have a high mountains, extremely beautiful coastal areas, and we have a diversity of the Indian cultures, festival, fairs, tradition, costume, and these are the things what a foreigner enjoy most in India. And along with this, we have a variety of dishes made by using the Indian spices and the hospitality given to the foreigners or to the tourists. Due to this, India has resulted in the opportunities of tourism more, and India has got a lot of potential for the purpose of tourism. Now let us learn that how the tourism has helped in the economic development, environment development, health development and social development of our nation. So let's start first with the tourism and the economic development. About this we have already learned that due to the tourism we get lot of benefit of getting the foreign exchange. Along with it, people get a job opportunity to earn the money. So the development of tourism, it contributes a large share in the economy of a country. The forming of various restaurants or shops, the transportation systems, the recreational places, they also develop on the account of tourism, and this directly contributes to the economy of a country. Moreover, the improvisation of the basic infrastructure and the employment generation indirectly benefit the growth of economy, and that is why tourism is referred to be as an invisible trade. Thus, we can also rightly say that tourism in both ways, that is, directly as well as indirectly, it plays a crucial role in the development of our country. The next one is the tourism and environment development. That the government does lot of investment for the sake of tourism. Various natural locations or sanctuaries, natural sanctuaries or animal sanctuaries, national parks are built. And also due to the eco-friendly tourism concept, the tourist places can be developed while caring for the environment, that is without disturbing the environment. Also the factors like the housing or the resorts or traffic routes, these are developed or designed but in a very eco-friendly manner without disturbing the environment at all. So also the electricity or the water, these are used judicially, that in a very wise way. One of the major factor or one of the major effect of the concept of recycle and reuse, it helps to maintain a good environment, and due to this the natural environment is maintained and the tourism is developed well. The next one is the tourism and health. In the second part, we have already learned about the health tourism. So this is a special type of a tourism. In this tourism, tourists do visit a particular region or a country to avail the health facilities of a particular location, and it definitely helps our nation. Now for example, a visit to the southern state of India, or else you can say that people from for western countries or from the foreign countries, they find the health services and facilities in India comparatively cheaper, and yet it is of a good and a standard qualities. So hence many foreigners, they prefer to come to India to avail for the medical facilities and the health services. And also because India is a tropical country where ample sunlight is available throughout the year, and this attracts the tourists from countries with cold climate to India. Also due to the availability of facilities of yoga training or like pranayam or Indian Ayurveda, more of the tourists come to our nation, The medical tourism develops from the facilities required by the tourists. So there is a lot of development taking into the health tourism in our nation. The next one is the tourism and the social development. Now let us see how does the tourism help in the development of a society, or how the social development can be made due to the tourism. So it is through the tourism some specific social programs can be accomplished. Now, like tourism, this tourism, it attains a social dimension, or it has a social point of view. If aspects like the rural lifestyle, it includes the aspect of the rural lifestyle or the tribal life, and also the cultures of these all are included into this type of a tourism. And along with this, even the neglected components of society are included in the development. Example, the tribal life in Melghat of Maharashtra and the visit to the model villages like the Anandwan by the project by social activists Baba Amte, or Ralegan Siddhi or Hivre Bazar, these two places which is located in Ahmednagar, and this creates a social consciousness among the people, and it gives a flip to the tourism in these places. So there is a great potentiality for the development of such a type of tourism in India. So in future, tourism will be an important factor in the Indian economy. Now, as we have learned about the importance of tourism in the development of economy, health, environment, and society. So, the tourism has to be promoted well, and such initiatives are done at many levels. And amongst all of them, MTDC, that is Maharashtra Tourism Development, has implemented many programs to promote the tourism and to attract the tourists. They have provided the guest houses, and also along with it the water sports or the tourist houses very close to the coastal areas, so that the tourists get attracted and they can get lot and lot of tourists. One more initiative, that is the Deccan Odyssey. It is a train started specially for tourism, and this train is operated in coordination with MTDC, Indian Railways, and Ministry of Tourism. Here you can see the Deccan Odyssey luxury train. It is a luxurious train. You can see the interior of this train. That is the Deccan Odyssey, it originates at Mumbai and takes the tourists to various places like Nashik, Ellora, Ajanta, Kolhapur, Goa, and Ratnagiri, and back to Mumbai. This train is like a moving palace. The another train is the Palace on Wheels, and this train takes the Delhi, Jaipur, Udaipur, Bharatpur, Agra, and Delhi route. Many domestic as well as the foreigner tourists enjoy traveling in this train. And also the Indian Railway has started a new trains with the coaches having transparent ceiling called as a Vista Dome, and this is a special attraction for the tourist. And this train, it runs on the Vishakhapatnam Kirandul route, and the passengers can see the panoramic view of the nature rich regions of Araku Valley, and also while passing through this road they can enjoy the Anantagiri Ghat section, and also along with it the Bora caves, just by sitting in a completely air conditioned coach which have a glass roof which is called as a Vista Dome. So all these initiatives are done by the government of our nation and also by the Ministry of Tourism to attract lot and lot of tourism. So this is all about the importance of tourism development in India. With this we end with the last part of the chapter. Thank you.